Just fired up the 34 GTR and they're about to take it over to the little shop area. So Space Auto is more than just a dealership. They got their own little shop where they can do performance mods and everything, and rolling it over to their little shop bay area so that we can add a couple mods on this thing so this thing gets to the look that I want it. We got NISMO side skirts and NISMO front lip, and also NISMO rear flaps. We got some LMGT4 wheels. About to get this thing a little bit modded so it's up to my standard, what I love. I mean, a bone stock R34 GTR is absolutely epic, but you know me, I like to mod stuff, so we're about to get that going. So we are getting ready to install the NISMO Front diffuser. I got this straight from NISMO themselves, no eBay stuff, no nothing. This is just straight from NISMO themselves. We wanted to put it on the front lip of this car right here. They're unboxing it right now, and yeah, it's gonna give this car just a little bit better look up front. This is part of it, that's not the whole thing. I think this goes right underneath. It's like the little undercarriage part that's on the front side. Brembo brakes, looking absolutely gorgeous. I gotta get these things all clean. One of these days I'll do a full-on wash down of this car. It's so cool to just kind of finally see underneath this car. See everything this thing is about. Can't wait to get these other parts on. As you can see, they're getting this under part put in, so that helps out with airflow. Also, if you're ever leaking, it's nice to not leak all over the place. But the only thing is, if you don't catch the leak, then that can be bad. But hey, it's all good. Real quick, just wanted to check out this front lip. It's part of the whole diffuser system, right? So, you know, some cars, people just literally buy a lip and that's it, which is a cheap way to do it, and a nice way to do it sometimes too, also if you damage it a lot. But this is a full-on legit diffuser. I don't think I've ever had one of these on any cars I've owned. I mean, this is a full-on system that channels air, channels cooling, whatever you need it to channel to, or channel, it does. It comes straight from NISMO themselves. Beautiful part. You know, now we have this, and this works. This will be good, and who knows, maybe I'll upgrade to something even better down the road. But for right now, I just wanted to give it the beautiful look, that nice little NISMO look, that NISMO touch. So just got the front lip installed right here. It's the NISMO front lip that I've been talking about throughout this whole video. The thing looks absolutely gorgeous. You've been seeing it. They've been working hard. And I keep calling it front lip because that's what I'm used to calling it. It's a full-on front diffuser. I mean, it's not just a lip. As you can see, I mean, you can see the under tray, everything right there. It's a full-on diffuser system, and I like it. It's cool. Man, this thing is it's absolutely beautiful. It gives it a new look to the car, gives it a little bit more aggressive look, especially just on the stance of the car. Once it gets to the ground, it's gonna be just more aggressive, a little bit lower, not a lot lower, right? I'm not looking for a slammed vehicle that's not functional. I want something that works but looks good, and this definitely gives me exactly what I want. So can't wait to get this thing on the ground. We got some more parts to put on. Got side skirts, got the rear flap. They're doing the rear flaps right now. Show you that. So next up is the side skirts. They're gonna put that on. They got all the other stuff on right now. Front lips on, looks absolutely gorgeous. Side skirts going on next to give it the final little look for this car. You know, obviously we got the LMGT4s on. Rear flaps are on, so the only thing missing is that side skirt. Oh, can't wait. Side skirt just gives it just so much better of a look. You know, R34 GTR in its stock form is a beautiful car, right? It's an amazing car, we all love it. But when you can just add these subtle little things, I'm not going crazy, I'm not throwing like a wide body kit, doing anything wild like that. You know, this is just straight from NISMO. These are NISMO parts, basically Nissan parts. It's just their motorsport division. But these side skirts came from NISMO themselves. They did not come the color of the car. They came just black, pretty much. We had to get them painted, so they matched the paint. I don't know if the owner before it, repainted at some point, or they just garaged it or kept it in the museum the whole time. But this car is just gorgeous. It definitely has been driven for sure. Little minor stuff to it, but like nothing that you can really notice, at least at first glance, right? I'd have to really dive in onto this car to find something wrong. But man, this thing is gorgeous. And that front, or that the front diffuser we put on looks good on it. But now these side skirts, now that we're getting on, definitely adds that final taste to the look I was looking for this thing. I still got a stock bumper and stuff. I didn't go the whole Z-Tune route right now. I wanted to kind of just keep it this more of a NISMO style look. Who knows, I might just keep this the way it is forever and be like, hey, I'm good with this. But that Z-Tune look is pretty sick. I think I want to do it, but later down the road. I'm happy with this right now. Looking beautiful. These nice mechanics here at Space Auto are doing an amazing job putting everything on. So that's how that side looks. Now I'll show you a side without the side skirt on. You can see the difference right there. Obviously there is a difference. So this car loves the look of the side skirt. It just gives it so much more of an aggressive stance for sure. Side skirts finally done. Everything is done as far as all the exterior stuff we're going to do on the car, and it's looking absolutely pretty. This is cool to come here, purchase an R34 GTR, but not only purchase one, also get it modified. And now we're not doing any heavy modifications. This is wheels and exterior parts, but to get the and coilovers, but to get the coilovers on, get the wheels on, the LMGT4s, get the NISMO side skirts and rear flaps and front diffusers, to get all that stuff on, knock it all out. Man, that's it's awesome. It's absolutely incredible. Loving this. This car is looking absolutely gorgeous right now. Next step is to get on the road with this thing and do my first drive. And crazy thing is, my first drive is going to be a few hour kind of drive. It's not going to be 10 minutes. It's going to be a few hours. So I got a long time to ponder and reflect with the car, learn the car and everything, and just have a good time.